Hey, Lou from RV Habit. I'm at the 2022 Tampa RV Florida Supershow, and I'm looking at another Jayco trailer, a Bunk House model. This one's 32 feet, but this is really great for the big family. And as always, it comes standard with a power tongue jack from LGI, dual propane. It's aluminum siding, so you save a little money over the fiberglass. You got a huge pass-through storage and space to the left. Plenty of room for everything you need. You can access that on both sides. Comes with a typical Solera electric awning. 2 entrances on this unit, and it has the step above, the solid steps. Let's walk on down, I'll show you. Your typical 110 outlets, TV mount, your cable TV satellite input, fresh water fill. A second entrance, which is to the bathroom. So if you have kids, they don't have to go right through the whole RV to get to the bathroom. So you can go right from outside into the bathroom and then back outside. Keeps the trailer real clean. And what's cool about this, also has an outdoor kitchen. Sink, 2 drawers, some extra storage up here, and a nice, actually big fridge for your drinks out here. Let's go on inside and we'll show you. As soon as we come in, you can go to your right, and this is going to be the master bedroom. And you got a huge queen bed, 2 huge storage cabinets on the side that you can hang clothes on, storage up above. And this unit is a 50 amp unit. It has 2 air conditioners, one for the master suite and one for the rest of the unit. This is a Dinette. You also have your pocket doors on the side here to close this off. 2 windows, electric outlets on both sides, and storage underneath the bed. So plenty of room for all your goodies. Now, if we come back out here, you have your kitchen, dual sink, high faucet with pull. You have a Furrion stove with a 3-burner LPG stovetop and an oven. Your power centers below, a small microwave above, and plenty of cabinet space. And I like the finish on this. It's kind of like a distressed gray cabinet. Very nicely done. Hardtop counter, drawers on the side, all wood drawers with ball bearing glides. Underneath the sink, room for a garbage can. Always look for that. And if we move over, a Norcold 12-volt refrigerator, and this one's actually pretty big. Actually, pretty large refrigerator. More storage on the side, pantry shelves. Tons of room for food. And above is the other air conditioner, which is ducted. So this air conditioner is ducted. The one in the master suite comes right out of the unit itself. You have a nice skylight up here. All LED lighting, stereo system. We come on back. Midway is the bathroom, and again, this bathroom has the entrance door and exit door from outside. So if you want to use the bathroom, you don't have to come through the whole RV to use the bathroom. Great feature. And this one actually has a little bit of a tub, so if you got kids and you need the tub, and it's a fairly good size. Now here's where you get to really pack it in, people. Come back here, a separate bunk house where you can close it off. They can make the kids can make all the noise that they want, and it's not going to bother you. You got a bunk up here, you've got a bunk here, and then this makes into a bed below, so you could fit 3 down here. And tons of storage for their toys. It's also set up for an additional TV here. They can sit down in the small couch and watch TV back here. Lots of outlets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 outlets back here, so lots of outlets. Again, ducted air conditioning back here. This is a dual slide unit, so the bunk house on this side goes out, and this side goes out. Now this side is your dinette and seating area. It's a U-shaped dinette. You could definitely sit 5 to 6 comfortably here. And then what's nice about this unit is theater seating. And it's kind of like a grayish off-color pleather. Really, really pretty. Dark trim. Very nice. And this is the Jayco 32 Bunk House. List price for $58. The show price is $44,995. If you're looking for something a little bigger, 32 feet, so it's on the bigger end of travel trailers, but this, you can pack a lot of people in this. I'm Lou from RV Habit. Thanks for watching.